This is why you stick to the ground. Imagine waking up one day and finding yourself floating around your room. Sounds fun, right? But it would be quite chaotic. You wouldn't be able to walk, run, or even sit down properly. This is all because of gravity, the invisible force that keeps us grounded. And don't float into space. Gravity. It's the same force that keeps the moon orbiting around the Earth and the planets in our solar system in their respective orbits. Without gravity, the universe as we know it would be a completely different place. Gravity is that invisible force that acts like a glue, holding everything together. It's not just about keeping us on the ground, it plays a crucial role in the formation of stars, planets, and galaxies. That keeps you glued to Earth. Every time you walk, run, or play, gravity is at work, making sure you don't float away. It's a constant force that we often take for granted. Think of it like a giant magnet, but instead of attracting metal, it pulls everything towards the center of the planet. This force is what gives us weight and makes objects fall when dropped, pulling everything towards the center of the planet. This is why when you jump, you come back down, and why rivers flow towards the sea. Gravity is always at work, shaping the world around us. Isaac Newton, the apple guy, was the first to describe gravity in a way that we could understand. His observations and experiments laid the foundation for modern physics. Figured this out when an apple fell from a tree. This simple observation led to a groundbreaking realization about the forces of nature, supposedly fell on his head. Whether or not the story is true, it highlights the importance of curiosity and observation in scientific discovery. He realized that the same force that makes apples fall also keeps the planets in their orbits. This was a revolutionary idea at the time and changed the way we understand the universe. That makes apples fall also keeps the planets orbiting the sun. This connection between the falling apple and the motion of celestial bodies was a major breakthrough, the planets orbiting the sun. Imagine the vastness of space and how gravity keeps everything in a delicate balance, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. Imagine jumping up in the air. For a brief moment you defy gravity, but it quickly pulls you back down. This is a simple yet powerful demonstration of gravity's influence on our daily lives. Gravity is the force that pulls you right back down. It's a constant reminder of the invisible forces at play, shaping our experiences and interactions with the world. Without it, we'd all be floating around like astronauts in space. In a zero-gravity environment, everyday tasks become challenging, and our bodies react differently, around like astronauts in space. This is why astronauts train extensively to adapt to the lack of gravity, learning how to move, eat, and even sleep in such conditions. Ever notice how you can jump higher on a trampoline but not so high on solid ground? The trampoline gives you an extra push, but gravity always brings you back down. Higher on a trampoline but not so high on solid ground. This is because the trampoline stores energy and releases it, giving you a boost, but gravity ensures you don't keep going up forever. So high on solid ground? Gravity is always at work, making sure we stay grounded no matter how high we jump. That's because the trampoline gives you an extra push, but gravity still brings you back down. It's a perfect example of how different forces interact in our daily lives. You an extra push, but gravity still brings you back down. This interplay of forces is what makes activities like jumping on a trampoline so much fun. Still brings you back down. It's a constant force that we often overlook, but it's always there, shaping our experiences. Gravity isn't just about falling though, it plays a crucial role in many natural phenomena, from the way water flows to the way plants grow. It affects the tides in the ocean, making waves rise and fall. The gravitational pull of the moon and the sun creates the rhythmic ebb and flow of the tides, making waves rise and fall. This constant movement of water shapes our coastlines and affects marine life. It even keeps our atmosphere wrapped around the Earth so we can breathe. Without gravity, our atmosphere would drift away into space, leaving us without the air we need to survive. Wrapped around the Earth so we can breathe. This protective layer of gases is essential for life, and gravity ensures it stays in place. And here's a fun fact. Gravity is different on other planets. On the moon you'd weigh less and could jump much higher than on Earth. On other planets. On the moon, gravity is only about 1/6 as strong as it is on Earth. This is why astronauts can make those giant leaps and seem to float as they move. You'd weigh less and could jump 6 times higher than on Earth. This difference in gravity affects everything from how we move to how we build structures on other planets, 6 times higher than on Earth. It's a fascinating reminder of how gravity varies across the universe and how it influences our experiences. But don't worry, Earth's gravity is just right for us. It's what makes life here possible. The perfect balance that allows us to thrive. Right for us. It's what makes life here possible. From the tallest mountains to the deepest oceans, gravity shapes our world in countless ways. So next time you drop something or just feel your feet firmly on the ground, give a little nod to gravity. It's the unsung hero keeping everything in place. Or just feel your feet firmly on the ground, give a little nod to gravity. It's always there, working behind the scenes to keep our world in order. On the ground, give a little nod to gravity. It's the unsung hero keeping everything in place. Without it, life as we know it wouldn't be possible. To gravity, it's the unsung hero keeping everything in place. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, gravity is the force that binds us all together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button and subscribe for more cool science facts. Stay curious. Hit the like button and subscribe for more cool science facts. Stay curious. There's always more to learn about the amazing world we live in. Subscribe for more cool science facts. Stay curious. The wonders of science are endless, and there's always something new to discover.